Make a great choice today with the 2017 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.